What features will Pictory be adding in the near future that you can tease for us?
Some of the things I can tell you already, personal avatars. They're right down the corner here. So you will be able to clone yourself, your voice, your own face, and create your personalized avatars. That's coming right away in the next 2 or 3 months or sooner. In Pictory, we're also working on mobile experience. We have a lot of people wanting to create videos on the go. So offering that mobile experience. And then some of these other things that I'm talking about is code generated videos, explainer videos, animate so we have a PowerPoint to video functionality that will turn PowerPoints to video, but the ability to animate what's in the PowerPoint slide as opposed to it being static, that is something we're working on right now. We're working on taking other forms of data like PDF, Word documents and stuff, and converting those to videos. So there's a slew of innovations that we have lined up that are coming in the next few months.